May isang extraordinary relationship nga adaan iti extraordinary love iti tunggal maysa ken iti binuuda a pamilya. Saan man nakaskari iti normal a pamilya ti set up digiti duwa nga ama, manipod Pilipinas ken Amerika. Saan ang nagbalina na lapod daytoy kanakwada tapno matungpal ti kalikagumda nga maaddaan ti anak. Ibilang the Jeffrey Williams ken McNeil Williams amay sa parabor iti apo kadakwada diri duwang anak da Ada Maria ken Olivia. Saan da may ladawan tiragsak da kapu tiragsak ken liwliwa nga ipapaay diti dua. Sigun ken ni McNeil amin arigat nga napagdalanan da ket saan da mapanunot gapu iti kinaanda dagiti anak da. Inmatad pa ni Jeffrey asipod nagkasarda ken ni McNeil ket nangrugidan ang napagsaritaan ti maipanggep ti anak. Inenjoy dati maysa ken maysa iti umunagon daway wenno iti unek iti upat atawan nga agasawa da. Ingana nagitoy ket nakapagtulagan ang mga lati surrogate mother nga iso ti mangyanak iti duwa nga anak. Mainang itiretoy nga Father's Day, itiretoy at 2026. Intayo celebraran mabaan iti panangipakita ken panangipalagip nga ti panangbalin nga nasaya at nga ama ket saan laang nga iti unag iti kunkuna tayo wenno namulagatan tayo normal nga klase ken set up ti pamilya. No di ket di iti anyaman awagas ket mabalin iti agbalin nga saan man a perpekto nga ama. No di ket di nasayaat nga ama. Intay dinggen ti istorya ti two dads and two daughters nga ni Mr. McNeil Williams ken Jeffrey Williams. Itiretoy nga the Bombo success story in a Good Morning Philippines.
Yeah, definitely. We're very blessed. Everywhere we go, we pretty much get recognized pretty easily. Quite a few lovely fans, and they're very gracious and great to see.
Yeah, and we have our ABC. So we were both born in the U.S. And biologically mine. And yeah, it's an amazing experience, and it's worth it having them. All the struggles, the challenges that we have to go through just to have them is definitely a blessing. Yeah, not worth it.
Yeah. Well, even when we were just prior to marriage, we had obviously discussed about children, that we both wanted to have children, and that it was a common goal between us. And so we knew that we wanted to wait and have some time alone at first to get to know each other. So we spent the first 3 years, and everything was by plan relatively, at least initially. And we planned to have our children after 3 years. Unfortunately, it was a delay in finding a suitable surrogate, and it took us an extra year, but we stayed to the course, yeah.
It all worked out.
Yeah, it definitely worked out. I think Mac and I are both very adaptable people. So we're very easygoing as far as, cultural type issues. So we don't really hold fast to too many, idioms that would make it a problem for us. And actually, Philippine culture is very similar to U.S. culture.
Oh, I think we're more open, actually.
Yeah, but I mean, it's still pretty similar.
Yeah, we don't get hatred in person. It's more on online.
Right.
We get bashed, we get attacked online for being two dads and having two daughters. But just around here in Ilocos or anywhere we go, we haven't had somebody came up and say, this is wrong, or why do you have there's no incidents like that. So far naman, wala pa naman. So napaka thankful namin and grateful kami na meron kaming supportive community here in Ilocos. Most especially where Maria and Olivia goes to schools. They go to a Catholic school here in Ilocos, in Batak. And yung our priest, Father Tito, he's so supportive. He's like so welcoming. So every time na nakikita niya kami, i-embrace niya kami. He makes us feel welcome. And yeah, like you can really feel na talagang genuine yung pag-welcome niya sa amin. Na walang parang so walang ilaman ba. So we're very thankful. Even the teachers, the faculties, our co-parents, they're very supportive. So yeah, and our families are here that are always there supporting us as well. So, and our friends. So yeah, we're very lucky, I should say. And, yung sinasabi ko, lahat, mostly yung mga
supportive
nagbabasa
talaga.
amin, nagbabasa amin, nakikita amin, it's mostly online.
Yes.
So wala pa namang nag-attack sa amin sa personal na. Which is, we don't want that to happen.
Yes.
And even with our children, we raise them from the very beginning with exactly where they came from, how they and then this communication between the sperm and an egg cell, and that it's God's love that brought them to us, and we're very blessed to have them. And we're both Roman Catholics, so our goals are the same, our educational goals are the same, and our children are well prepared to answer those questions, so that, and they never really get challenged. I mean, everybody at the school knows that they're with two dads, and they've had no issues at school.
Yeah, even their classmates, like, your dads are here. And even when Maria had like a project that they have to make a family tree.
Yes.
So what we did is we actually included their egg donor because we don't want that, we don't want to leave that part because that's their identity. Sabi nga ni Jeff, like, we want them to go out and be proud of who they are. And kasi, syempre, at least pag may magtatanong sa kanila, they know the whole story na at hindi na sila magbibigla, alam nila ipagtanggol sila ng mga sarili.
Yes.
And like we always tell them, they're born from a lot of love and a little help from science.
Also an extended family.
Wow.
Although I've always wanted to have my own children, but kaya, di ba, as being gay in the Philippines, like, how, like, paano, parang magkakaroon ng anak, di ba? So, it's like, it's not like, we can just, have a child and, meron na magkakaroon ako ng anak. So it's different from us, right? Being gay, it's not the norm having your own children. And I know, like, it doesn't matter kung whatever way would that be. I know in myself that gusto ko magkaroon talaga ng sarili kong anak. And then when we met, that was like one of, it's one of my, like, criteria, like, if I meet somebody, parang gusto ko magkaroon din siya ng sariling goal na magkaroon ng anak. Kasi it's so hard to find somebody that's not aligning with what you want or what you believe in the future. Right?
And you have to remember, this was 12 years ago that we talked about this. It was 11 years. We've been married 11 years. So, I mean, we were really at the forefront, and we weren't the very first by any means, but it was not common even in the U.S. at that time.
Especially here in the Philippines.
Yeah, and especially here in the Philippines.
Sino yung unang nagsabi sa inyo, sir, na I want kids like that? You, Sir Mac, or si Sir?
Yeah. Yeah, like in your bio, so when saan kami nag-meet online. Nag-meet kami online, di ba? So you have to create your own profile, like, so people ask you, like, what are the qualities that you're looking for? Bang gusto mo? So I mentioned there that I want to have kids in the future. So, even before talking, alam na niya na gusto magkaroon ng anak.
And then, parehas pala kayo na ganun yung ano niya.
Yes, thankfully.
So, ito yung sir, yung parang, kasi minsan may mga nagtry din ng ganun and then they will get disappointed kasi hindi mabubuo. So, lahat very successful, sir?
Yeah, we're very blessed kasi one time lang na nilipat yung mga embryo sa surrogate mothers namin, agad silang nabuo. So we didn't have to do second try, third try, or even fourth try for just them to get pregnant. And so yes, we were very blessed na kahit pareho sila ni Maria. So magkaibang surrogate mothers kasi ginamit namin. but both surrogate mothers got pregnant for the first try of transferring the embryos.
Mm.
So, and yeah, you're right. If had ganun ka-success pregnancy rate, hindi ibig sabihin na napaka-bless ang talaga napaka-thankful namin na isahan lang nabuntis agad siya.
Okay, sir. And talagang sir, you choose a girl or nagkataon lang na talagang girl sila pareho?
So, really siya.
Do we choose a boy or a girl? We hoped to have both, but it didn't work out exactly as we had hoped. We knew that it would, we didn't have control over that issue. You could go outside of the U.S. and you could do stuff like that, but inside the U.S. is very strict with the laws about how much manipulation you can actually do to the embryo.
Yeah, so our egg donor actually donated for us for twice. She donated. So during the first donation, we all our embryos were girls, and so we asked her again for second donation, and there were like 2 boys and one boy and 3 girls. So when we transferred Olivia, we actually transferred 2 embryos, the boy, her and the boy. But unfortunately, the boy didn't stay. Yeah, it was a couple miscarriages. It was a miscarriage. So, but we're still thankful that we have Olivia.
Nupay saan nga agpapada, ti kaugalian ken pamati, diri nagduduma pagilian, ket inantisiperanda ragiti posible nga ibaga ti tao. Ngem nupay kasta, ti lugar nga mismo adi maknelan ni Macnel, ket na minsan awan tinanggeg na, nga anyaman nga panangdilaw, na niya ti set up da pamilya. Kinunana anuman payada dagiti comments wenno bashers, ngem no iti personal, ken iti lugar nga ayanda ita, ket makunada, anabara, iti panangakseptar da, iti daytoy. Kininayon na nga adu iti maragsakan ang makakitkita kadakwada, sa rinuman iti papananda, ken iti man pagadalan digiri anak da, digiri mga sursuro ken digiri padada naganak, ket awan na pulos tinanggeg da. Dakkel na panagyaman, digiri agasawa a Williams, abal na igi nga insigida, nga iti procedures, anay sayang kat. Nupay ti kumakayat daket babae ken lalaki. Kaagbalin nga anak dangem, agyamyaman da, tanupay saan nga nagbalin da itoy, ket adda ti dua babae nga ubing, nga iso itata, iti ragsak ti pamilyada. Mga kabombo, ti may sa pamilya ket saan laeng nga may bilbilang abuo, no adda ti ama, ina, ken anak, no di ket di, ti pamilya ket bukbukle, ti ayat ken panangipatek, iti tunggal maysa. Adda dagiti ina nga tumaktakder nga ama. Adda dagiti ama nga tumakder pay nga ina. Ayat iti kang runaan, amang bukbukol ken mangparparagsak ti maysa a pamilya. Naknakanda itoy ti 2 dads and 2 daughters. At ti pamilya ket saan laeng nga iti makitkita tayo physically, no di ket di, no ana, iti adda, iti kaunggan tayo. Iti retoy nga bigat ti Domingo, happy Father's Day, karagiti amin nga ama, dagiti ina, nga timakder pa yan, nga ama, karagiti anak da. We are very, very proud to all of you. Rod mga kabombo, tinagduduan ti The Bombo Success Story tayo. Iri good morning Philippines, itiretoy a Father's Day. Sapay ko mga kabombo, tanagbalin nga inspirasyon ti istorya ni Macnel Kenya Jeffrey Williams. Karigiti amin nga agkalkalikagumot nga maadaan iti anak. Nga awan iti imposible iti luban. Dahil iti pagayam yo Bombo Janice Madamba, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Philippines.